Hi everyone. Welcome to Wyzebulb. In this video, we will demonstrate how to automate YouTube to Google Sheets. We can even integrate many other action applications with the YouTube application as a trigger using Wyzebulb. Visit the wyzebulb.com and connect our Wyzebulb account to integrate YouTube application to Google Sheet by clicking on Create Flow. Before beginning the workflow, step back. Let's start by making a new Google Sheet. With such a couple of columns where we can store the new data, now let us go back to the Wyzebulb application to continue to create our automated workflow. Here we have two sections: trigger and action. Let's select YouTube as our trigger application. Under the apps in the trigger section, select a new comment on a channel, click on Save and Continue. The next step is to connect the account. Click on Connect YouTube Account and select your email address, then click on Save and Continue. Next step is select Event Options. Click on Setup Event Options and choose the channel name. If you don't have the channel in your account, create a new channel. Next, trigger the test sample by selecting the test event. Let us move on to the action section here. Google Sheets is our action application, and creating a new row in Google Sheets is our action now. Let's connect our Google account by granting permission, then let's set up the template for the Google Sheet application by choosing the Google spreadsheet, where the data will be stored, and then select the columns by clicking on the plus icon here, or you can search or choose the mapped data from the trigger applications, and then save to continue now. We can test the action by clicking on Test Action. If all the steps are successful, this window will prompt a success message. And then save the flow. Now let's go to our Google Sheet application to check for the Wyzebulb tested data. Now let's test the automated workflow by going to our YouTube application and then choose the specific channel and specific video. Add a comment to the video. Each time a new comment is added, it creates an entry to the Google Sheet. Let's now confirm the automated workflow by going to our Google Sheet. Here we can see the new comment added in our Google Sheets has created an entry successfully. For more such information for your business by integrating your most used applications, visit wyzebulb.com.